Well, what's going on, YouTubers? It's the Natural Born Thriller, and welcome to Food Review. Now, what pertains to me doing this food review, I already did a food review what pertains to doing new Popeyes chicken sandwich, one of the most delicious sandwich of all time, which, by the way, I'm kind of, overrating it. So overrated that I'm going to eat both of them. And there's two different ones. One is the classic one, as you can see is marked there, classic. And the other one, as you can see, that's marked right here, spicy. Now, I'm not into spicy that much, which is why I'm going to try this right now. And I got me my Mountain Dew soda here, not to have sex with, just saying, but just to drink. So, obviously, I'm going to try this one out first. This is the one I did last time, and this one I'll try last. Just to see how spicy it is. So I bought two Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Here we go. Classic. Here we go. Still good. Still delicious. Two thumbs up. One more, folks. Make this right here. All right. Okay, I thought that's gonna work, but apparently it didn't. Let me do like this. There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm gonna give me a drink of Mountain Dew ice. Mountain Dew soda, not Mountain Dew ice. I wish I had Mountain Dew ice, by the way. Just for the food, a couple of them to keep going down my windpipe. All right, we put this away. The classic chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Now try the spicy one. For a moment. And put this back up. Oopsie. It fell, but no matter. One moment. Coolie, sha, coo, yeah. All the hippies sing together. Just saying. All right, here we go. The spicy chicken sandwich now. Because I'm not into spicy that much. I don't condone it. I don't recommend them. For my take. But other people they love spicy. But here we go. Spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Here we go. It's not that spicy. It's actually, a little. Oh, wait. All right, it's kicking in a little bit, but it's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Got stuck in my teeth a little bit. Uno más. All right. Now I definitely need a drink now. Now it's kicking in now. spicy. So yeah, I'm not into spicy, and that's good, and that's a good reason why. But still good. It was, despite the the spicy flavor in there, it's still good. But I'm gonna have to give it only a thumbs up and a half. So there you go. And with that being said, I'm done, folks. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. I'm gonna actually eat this first. Then I'm gonna save the classic ones. Get this out of the way first. Then I'm getting that one out of the way because I was starving. But with that being said, thank you for watching. For this Natural Born Thriller, saying peace on the streets. But this was your food review. We're just eating both different types of Popeyes chicken sandwich. Classic, spicy. Speaking of spicy, it's kicking in again. So next time we're tasting my food review, I'm out.